You are going to love the 2019 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.